The graph below shows the function g of x for x is greater than or equal to -2 and x is less than or equal to 3, and x is a real number. So we have to use this graph to answer the following questions. For part A, we have to write down the value g of 3. So the way we have to look at it is g of x is the name of the function. So g is the actual name of it, x is its input. So x is what it takes in. So if we put in the number 3 into our function, we will get some output. If we put 1, we got some output. If we put -1, we'll get some output. But in this question specifically, it's asking what do we get if we put 3 in. So 3 being our input, we will get an answer of 2. So our g of 3 will be equal to 2. Okay, then for part B, we have to write down the value of x for which g of x is equal to 1. So 1 will be our output in this case. So if we go across to here, the value of x for which g of x will be equal to 1 will be -1. So it's just working with the graph. So then for part C, we have to draw the graph of the function y of g of x minus 2 on the diagram above for sort of the same limit, so from -2 to 3. Okay, so what it's saying here is we take g of x, so let's say g of 3 for example, that would be 2, and then we minus 2 from it and we go 2 down. So if you have a -2 like this on the function, all you have to do is just draw everything but 2 lower. So this point will be here, then it will go up to this point, which is 2 lower than here. So we'll draw this up here. Then, for example, this point will be down here, this point will be down here, and this point will be down here. So all we have to do is just get every point and draw it 2 lower. So 2 will be 0, 3 will be 1, 2 will be 0, 1 will be -1, -2 will be, 0. So 1 will be -1 and then 0 will be -2. So I think you get the point. And that will be question 8.